So we're going to do a couple of quick cuts into this rod here. That's from a brake chamber, and that's with the Ryobi cutoff wheel one. Part number is PSBCS20CN. For this tool, we're going to use a high performance 2 amp hour battery. So the neat thing about it is you can reverse the blade so it throws the spark the other way. So if we reverse it, so this does a really good job for the cut there. So I really like this little cut-off saw here. It's very handy, very small. Now, of course, the battery could be in the way sometime, but that's not really an issue. I still have, like, the hair tools for this. What I really love is there's always some time that I'm going to be stuck at places where the spark are all gonna fly towards me because of the way that I have to put the cutoff wheel. And with this one here, having the forward and reverse button is really a big plus. And the light at the bottom to help see what you're doing. So if you like that video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.